Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And yes, we're doing an unusual review because it's at nighttime. And we're going to be checking out this Teslong Endoscope. And this is the device itself. This can record 1080p and 720p. It does audio as well. This is the screen, so you're going to be seeing video right from this screen itself. And this is a camera. And it's extremely rigid. We can put it in any position we want. We're going to be checking out the underside of my shed. There is something living underneath there, and I want to find out what it is. And I can only do it at night. And we're going to check it out with this. So let's get to it. Unfortunately, we didn't find anything underneath the shed, but hey, the product works really, really well, and I gave it the JoeteckTips It's an Awesome rating because you can replace the 3.7 volt lithium battery, which is a home run. I like this product. I recommend it. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.